In this equation, we are given 2x plus y is equal to 3. The very first thing we need to do is solve for y to put it in slope-intercept form. How I will do that is I will subtract 2x from both sides of the equation sign. Once I do that, on the left side, I will have y is equal to 3 minus 2x. This is technically not slope-intercept form, so what I'm going to do is just kind of reverse the minus 2x and the positive 3 so that I have a true slope-intercept form. So I'm going to have y is equal to minus 2x and then plus 3. The minus 2 has to be a minus because we are showing there's a subtraction sign in front of it, and the 3 is a plus or a positive, so that's why I wrote plus 3. Now we can go ahead and interpret our slope. Our slope will be negative 2. To help us graph, we're actually maybe want to write this as negative 2 over 1. And then the y-intercept is a positive 3. Now we're ready to graph. I'm going to come over here and graph my y-intercept first. So I'm going to go to positive 3 on the y-axis and make a point. And then I'm going to use the rest of my points to show my slope. So my slope is negative 2 or negative 2 over 1. Remember, slope means to rise over run. So that means a negative 2, you'd actually rise negative 2, or you can say fall 2. So I'm going to go down 2 and then run 1 to the right. And I can just continue making this pattern, down 2, right 1, until I have a few points. Remember, if you wanted to show points on the left side of the y-intercept, you can do the same slope. You would just show the opposite movement. So you would go up 2 and to the left 1, and that would give you some points on the left side. Again, once you have a few points, you'll take your line and just connect those using a straight line as possible.